Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys have loved the first two modules, and it was a bit exaggerated topics, but there's no issue. You just try to do it one by one and try to understand the concept. Now we are going to begin with the module number 3, and we are going to study 3 different topics in this module. First one would be infinitive, then gerund, and then would come to the participle. Now although these 3 are distinct topic, but ये कहीं ना कहीं से एक दूसरे से related हैं, and spoken English में इनका बहुत ज़्यादा important usage है. So we would study them one by one. Let's begin. We would study infinitive, gerund, participle. Now the very first thing is, what is infinitive? Please focus on your spellings. Generally you can get confused between finite and infinitive. Finite and non-finite verbs are something else, and this is infinitive. Okay, now always remember, finite is nothing a different topic than non-finite. We have studied earlier. Now non-finite जैसा कुछ नहीं होता है, उसके अंदर ये 3 सेक्शन होते हैं, infinitive के, gerund के and participle के. I hope you guys have understood this concept even earlier. We have done this in module number 1 or 2 something, so you can just go back and have that revision. Okay, so infinitive is a basic dictionary form of verb. So it's the basic form of verb, but used non-finitely with or without the participle to. अब ये definition, always I am against definition because वो आपके जो understanding को काफ़ी tricky level पे लेके जाते हैं. So infinitive is nothing but a form of verb. The very first thing is it is a form of verb, and it comes in non-finite verbs, but it is used with something called as to. To is a preposition. We all know, ये हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम पे जब बेसिक कोर्स में हम लोग ने पढ़ा था, उसमें हमें पता है कि preposition is to. So infinitive is nothing but to plus verb, nothing else. This definition is making it tough. Infinitive is to plus verb. अभी फटाफट हम एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेंगे. verb क्या होता है? एक्शन वर्ड drink, उसके पहले to लगा दिया, to plus verb, that is to plus drink. To drink is the infinitive. It's that simple. Now we can see the form with to is full infinitive और to infinitive. जब verb के साथ to आ रहा है तो हम उसको बोलेंगे full infinitive या to infinitive. The form without to is called as bare infinitive. In short, अगर मैं बोलूँ I love to drink, तो to drink is infinitive, which is full infinitive. I love, then you can say I love soft drinks. No, soft drinks is something else. You can say I saw a girl who eats banana. तो यहाँ पे जो eats आ रहा है, although it is without to, but वो क्या हो रहा है, वो भी infinitive हो रहा है. तो एक रूल होता है जैसे कि to plus verb is the full infinitive and without to is bare infinitive. But अगर वो verb हुआ तो वो infinitive ज़रूर होगा. It will be generally the root word. Root word यानी basic word. We can see, you can go through the usage as well, but हमारा main concept है कि हम infinitive को देख ले वो कैसे use होता है. He bought some flowers to give to his wife. तो to give यहाँ पे क्या है? To give is an infinitive. I will lock the door to prevent. तो ये देख लीजिए, to is to plus verb, give is verb. उसके बाजू में to his भी है, but his क्या है? His a pronoun. His is a pronoun. It's not a verb, तो वो infinitive नहीं होगा. To wait seemed foolish when decisive action was required. So to wait, to swim. I like to write in English. I like write नहीं होता. I like to write होता है. I love writing. Writing can also be used, but better क्या है? I love to write or I like to write. Everyone wanted to go. His ambition is to fly. What is essential is to maintain. This is the best time to practice. I love some jeans to wash. We must carefully observe to understand. To see, it is important. To be patient, it is wonderful. To have close friends. Can I ask you to help me with something? I invited a friend to attend the ceremony. Do you understand what to do? tell me when to press the button. In short, infinitive का use is infinite. I would ask what do you like to do? I love to eat. I wish to go to cinema. I would love to visit my uncle. So कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, कोई भी सिनेरियो हो, आपको कहाँ पे भी बोलने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है तो इन्फिनेटिव इज़ द सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. आपको नहीं समझ रहा है कौन सा टेंस यूज़ करना है, कैसे यूज़ करना है, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन यूज़ इन्फिनेटिव. यू कैन से टू इंडिकेट द पर्पस एज अ सब्जेक्ट, एज अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एज एन एडजेक्टिव, एज एन एडवर्ब, एज अ नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एज अ क्वेश्चन वर्ड. मतलब इनफाइनाइट यूजेस हैं. यू कैन यूज़ देम एज एंड व्हेन यू वांट विदाउट एनी ग्रामेटिकल एरर. सो आपका एक मोटिव क्या होना चाहिए? नो मैटर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, you have to do is just use them as a good way as possible without any grammatical errors. Just try to enhance your vocabularies कि कहाँ कहाँ पे हम to use कर सकते हैं.